Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, NEXO is going to be grabbing price data from Chainlink. If you don't know what NEXO is, it is basically a platform where you could take loans out using your crypto as collateral. We also have DeFi driving Chainlink's Link token to record highs. We're going to take a look at some price action, their fear and greed indexes. We also have Sergey Nazarov smart contract adoption by enterprises about to take off. That comes from the CEO of Chainlink, and we have Ethereum's DeFi tokens are rapidly outpacing Bitcoin. So a lot of interesting news here today. If you guys could like the video before we get started, that would be much appreciated. I appreciate any support you choose to give to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. And with that said, let's hop right into it. So NEXO, the leading fiat lending service backed by crypto collateral, will integrate Chainlink decentralized price feeds to better secure loans. NEXO, the regulated digital asset-backed credit line service, announced today a new partnership with Chainlink, the leading decentralized Oracle network, to improve security and boost the reliability of pricing data on the platform. It's another win for Chainlink, quickly becoming one of the crypto's most widely utilized sources of truth and an essential part of the broader DeFi ecosystem. And so here's the tweet where they announced this, which was announced on June 8th at 9 a.m. NEXO secures more than 600 million in user funds, providing loans in US dollars and dozens of other local currencies backed by digital assets. NEXO will leverage Chainlink price feeds to ensure borrowers have enough collateral to secure their loans, as well as to audit lending and borrowing activity on the platform. The integration will also provide a transparent record of exchange rates when users choose to repay loans in a different currency from what they originally received. NEXO's mission is to bridge the gap between digital and traditional finance, and our developing partnership with Chainlink brings us a step closer to achieving this, says the NEXO co-founder. Chainlink has been a major beneficiary of the rise of DeFi in 2020, being chosen to provide decentralized Oracle services to a range of applications, including decentralized VPN Orchid and token swap platform Kyber Network. As a result, Chainlink is up more than 200% year to date, marking several new all-time highs along the way. The Chainlink co-founder Sergey says, "We're excited to bring Chainlink's secure and reliable Oracle solutions to NEXO's popular lending platform to enable users to independently verify on-chain the interest and collateralization rates they should receive. This allows NEXO to provide additional trust and transparency to their large user base." Chainlink may also be ahead of the curve when it comes to impacting DeFi products that are being built off the Ethereum blockchain. Polkadot and Tezos, both younger upstarts eyeing the top position currently occupied by Ethereum, have already partnered with Chainlink to bolster their credentials and accelerate adoption among developers and crypto enthusiasts, guys. So more bullish news coming out of Chainlink. It seems like they have a new partner every week, every month. So many great things happening for Chainlink, and I think that's why when we look at the price of Chainlink, it just explodes. It continues to go up. Like, it's basically, you see almost nothing but accumulation. And I think it's because a lot of people know where this project is going. They've laid down so many partnership. Other coins are now partnering with them. So if these coins are successful, Chainlink in a way is going to be successful. And I think that's why Chainlink is probably one of the most best performing coins for the past year and last year, is just because the groundwork that they're laying, the progress that they're making. Yesterday I told you guys, about not investing in coins for financial gain purely, but investing into coins that have good projects that you believe in, that have a good future. And I think that that's a perfect example case is Chainlink. With that said, let's drop into this. So DeFi driving Chainlink's Link token to record highs. So Chainlink's token jumped to record highs on Monday, far surpassing Bitcoin's returns since the start of 2020. The ever-increasing use of Chainlink's price oracles in DeFi is driving the cryptocurrency higher, according to analysts. So the Link crypto has decoupled from Bitcoin, the crypto market leader. Observers are associating Link's massive rally with Chainlink's increased usage in the DeFi space. "We're attributing the short-term price spike to Chainlink's scaled usage in the DeFi space," said Vance Spencer, co-founder of Framework Ventures, which is one of the largest private holders of Link tokens. The market cap for DeFi products has quintupled in the last half year, and most of the ecosystem is now relying on or planning to rely on Chainlink for connecting on-chain DeFi smart contracts to off-chain data feeds like commodities and crypto price data. The crypto asset has been displaying a bullish trend for some time now, with Chainlink making all the right noises by partnering with a number of projects in the decentralized finance space, says Simon Peters. Hence, the DeFi industry has turned to Chainlink. Major names in the DeFi space, including Kyber Network, Ava, Graph Protocol, Opium Network, Synthetics, and BZX, have integrated Chainlink's oracles. The crypto may have received an additional boost from Chainlink's association with China's national blockchain project. The importance of the Chinese government choosing to integrate Chainlink's oracles into their National Blockchain Services Network, their BSN, cannot be understated, said Spencer. Long term, we expect Chainlink's value to continue to appreciate. We believe that the smart contract platform that eventually becomes the standard for Web3 will be valued at several factors higher than Ethereum's current market cap. That's pretty insane, guys. Several factors higher than Ethereum's current market cap. That would do a lot to the price of Chainlink. If that is the case, then it's natural to assume that its security layer Link will significantly grow in value as well, said Spencer. So, further, the lure of earning additional by staking Link tokens could drive demand for the cryptocurrency. The idea that users could someday earn a steady income stream for participating in the crowdsourcing of useful data for smart contracts is likely to be attractive to institutional and educated retail investors alike, said Spencer. So guys, a lot of things happening with Link. Let me know in the comments if you guys are holding Link or if you're holding off. If you're not buying Link, please tell me why you're not buying, and if you are buying, tell me why you are buying. I think a lot of people do believe in this product, but I'd also love to hear the opposite view. So if you don't believe in this project, let me know in the comments. If you guys like daily cryptocurrency videos like the one you're watching right now, we cover Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space. Make sure you give the channel a sub and turn on the notifications so you're notified every day when I upload. And if you guys could take just a second to like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. Everything is kind of pulled back a little bit today. Bitcoin down $200 from yesterday at 9,200. Ethereum at 240. XRP is at 20 cents. Cardano is at 11. So as you can see, we're having a bit of a retracement here. A lot of people, you know, if you missed Cardano, if you missed that pump on Cardano, Chainlink, Vechain, they're all kind of pulled back today. So, you know, not financial advice, but it's better. You're better off buying now than at the top, especially if you think that these, if you think these are going to go higher. You see these being, you know, valued in, you know, a couple dollars in the long term. You know, it's a pullback. It might not be a bad idea to start laddering in. Now they could come lower, so that's why I would recommend laddering. But again, not financial advice. Do your own research and stick to your trading plan, your investing plan, whatever plan it is you have in place. Just have some type of plan. So yeah, guys, Cardano just under 12 cents, Chainlink at 5.90, Stellar is at 8 cents, Tezo 2.50, and Vechain is 1.7 cents. So market's a little pulled back today, but you know, we'll see what happens. We might go on another leg up here soon, or we might also retrace. Our fear and greed index for today is the same as yesterday, sitting at 44, which I'm pretty surprised with all the bullishness going on Twitter and everything like that. I'm surprised this didn't pick up on that, but we'll see what happens. I also want to show you guys our Google Trends for Bitcoin. We haven't looked at this in about a week. So as you can see on the 12-month, there's nothing really happening, nothing significant. And if we zoom out even further, let's go to say the past 5 years, it's even more less significant. You know, not much really happening, especially when we can compare it to, you know, the last time we had a massive bubble. Last time we had to run up to 14K, we're at 23, but right now we're at 7. So just knowing that, you know, we can see that the last time we had major runs up, that the you know, there's more people searching for Bitcoin online, but right now we're having a run up, but not many people are searching yet. So I think we're either, you know, either we're going to keep pumping and the searches will come, and because I like this as an indicator as to, you know, whether or not people are searching for it, because if a lot of people are searching for it, price is probably going to go up, right? Because we're just getting new people interested all over again. But a lot of times, if price is going up and this really isn't moving, then it's kind of just the same old money coming in, which is what I'm having, you know, kind of a hard time trying to figure out. Where is this pump coming from new money, or is it coming from the same old money? And as of right now, it looks like the same old money, and we cannot really break past all-time highs and do all that and go on our bull run until we really get some new money in here. So that's what I'm looking for. Once I see this, you know, really start to pick up and we see that new money entering the space, we start to reach our old market cap, you know, then we'll really know, all right, there's some new money in this space. I also want to show you guys 32% of US households missed their July housing payments. So, that's quite a bit. I think that's, that's a high that we haven't seen in a while. That's way more than usual. And I guess we'll see what happens for the next month of August. I would expect this number to rise. I don't see why this number would get any better. Hopefully I'm wrong though. I would like to bet on, this number going down and people being able to make their house payments. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully it all works out. We also have smart contract adoption by enterprises about to take off. So the Chainlink CEO and Inner Work Alliance President Ron Resnick are optimistic that enterprise adoption is speeding up. So we know Chainlink has all of these connections. They have all these partnerships going, and the CEO is now talking about enterprises coming in. It looks like Chainlink has a really, really bright future ahead of itself. Chainlink is probably one of those coins where I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging in. I think, Chainlink under $10 is a steal for me. I'm going to continue to buy Chainlink under $10, and then I will probably hold off. But under $10 link, I'm going to be buying. I'll be trying to make the most of my buys, buying on pullbacks like today, things like that. But for the most part, Chainlink under $10, I think that is just, it's a bargain, especially if I think Chainlink, it could easily hit $100 a token in this next bull run very easily. I think that's conservative, very conservative. So under $10 is like a no-brainer to me. Our last article for today is Ethereum's DeFi tokens are rapidly outpacing Bitcoin. 10 DeFi tokens grew more than Bitcoin in the broader crypto market in the past 3 months, seeing up to 800% gains. But is it sustainable? So over $2 billion worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin has found its way into DeFi protocols already. The second billion of that sum flooded during just 3 weeks in June. What's more, DeFi platforms are now collectively handing out 25 million per month to their users. As a result, the tokens used by DeFi protocols have grown 800% in value in the past 3 months alone. It may not be the heydays of 2017, but it is a new booming sector. Data from Masari shows 10 DeFi tokens which recorded between 41% and 800% growth since April the 8th. For context, Bitcoin and the entire crypto market grew by 27% in the same time frame. So DeFi is accelerating extremely fast. The clear standout performer is the LEND token, the native token of the ETH lending protocol, which recorded 800% growth in that time. According to data from DeFi Pulse, ETH is currently the 4th largest DeFi protocol in existence, with over 150 million locked in at time of writing. That's the total amount being lent and borrowed on ETH. In the 3 months since April 8th, the dollar value of lend increased from 2 cents to almost 20 cents, yet that growth was only a continuation of lend's recent ascension, which has seen it record 1,227% growth since January. Next up in the list of top DeFi token performers is Bancor. Bancor is an Ethereum-based protocol which enables the non-custodial exchange of tokens using pooled liquidity. Guys, now I'm just going to kind of read off, the rest of the tokens. I won't read off to exactly what each token does. If you want to learn what each token does, then just go ahead and research them on your own. Ren is used as an open, permissionless protocol for the cross-chain transfer of cryptocurrencies. Synthetics is the next one. It's an Ethereum-based protocol for the creation of synths, tokenized versions of real-world assets. That's crazy, guys. Wasn't Giancarlo talking about the tokenization of assets? So it's insane. The rise of DeFi has been led by a huge surge in token rewards and a dose of leveraging positions, which means the booming sector also comes with growing risk. So guys, DeFi is on the lookout. I was looking for coins to invest in DeFi, and the space is so new, it's hard to really know what's going to be a winner and stuff like that. So for me, I'm kind of holding off. I was about to buy some compound, but I was like, you know what? It's whatever. It's all right. Let's just wait till we enter a bull market, and I'll buy a dip or something. I'm not really itching to get into the DeFi space. I know it could be like the next ICOs, but my investing strategy, it's not about trying to make 100,000x. Which of course it would be amazing. And if it happens, that's awesome. But I'd rather invest in bets that are more sure to me, that I'm more confident in. For example, I am much more confident in putting my money into Chainlink, because Chainlink is partners all these DeFi tokens than trying to select the exact DeFi token winner. But that's just me. You guys, it's not financial advice. Do your own research, everything like that. But for me, I'm just investing in Chainlink, and I'm excited to continue investing in Chainlink. I think Chainlink has some really, really good potential behind it. The team behind it is good. The CEO is good. Their partnerships are amazing. They keep announcing new partnerships. Again, let me know in the comments if you don't hold Chainlink and why. Also, let me know if you do hold Chainlink and why. But I think if Chainlink continues the way it's going down, people are going to really regret if they don't hold any Chainlink. It's just my opinion. Obviously, that depends, if the price increases and everything like that. I don't see how the price of Link isn't going to increase. All we see is accumulation, right? We have our retraces, but it just gets accumulated again so quick. I think I'm gonna accumulate with the whales. That's what you really want to do. Follow the whales, follow the big money, and get in there. With that said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, tick the bell so you get notified every time I upload. I might drop another video today. I'm not sure. So make sure you have your notifications on so you get notified if I do. And with all that said, I hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you drop this video a like if you like the information, and with that said, I'll see you all on the next video.